In today's video, I'm going to unbox a product from Apple. It's a magic mouse which I bought from Flipkart for around 5,500 rupees. The MRP of this product is 7,500 and you will find this product on offer and cashback benefits on different kinds of e-commerce websites like Flipkart or Amazon. I'll leave the links in the description below, so if you like the product, you can go and buy it. Usually the mouse which we use with our computers have the left click button, right click button along with the roller ball to scroll between the pages. Speciality of this magic mouse is it has got a touch sensitive area where you can use certain kinds of gestures. You can use these gestures to navigate between different kinds of apps or scroll the pages or go to the next page or to the previous page. And also you can launch the multitasking window to select the app which you want to enter into. You're watching me Vinayaka on VGS World. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and support the channel. So without wasting any time, let's jump into the unboxing and check what we have got inside the box. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.